So how do you like my handy dandy recording studio? I've been having a lot of fun building the screencast for the workbook for BBG4 and put the slides up on my iPad so I can draw on them and a good mic to get quality recording. I'm having a lot of fun. I just want to give you an update. I have 2 more chapters to record and I'm edited up through about chapter 20. And as the screencast is done, I'm putting it up on the online class. So if you have access to the online class and you have access to the screencast, and I'm guessing it'll probably be December 1st before I'm completely done with all of these. The national ETS meeting is in a couple of weeks, and so I have to allow for that. But anyway, I'm really happy with how the screencasts are coming out. It's a way for me just to walk through every exercise with you to kind of help you see how you translate these things. And we're going to release them initially for those who have bought access to the online class. And someday we'll be able to sell them on flash drives, but I got some other really neat things in the works, and we're going to release everything at once. So until then, I'll enjoy my Winnie the Pooh blanket and whatnot to absorb the sound, and a little cloth down here so that you don't hear too much coming up into the mic. But it's just amazing what the digital revolution has allowed individuals to do. And so I'm thankful for that. So anyway, the work is going well on the screencasts, almost all done, making them available as I get them done on the online class. And then we'll see where things go from there. So thanks for looking forward to this. Bye.